Adding your own product images to the MIWE roll-in? This can be easily done by using a function when creating a program. This is how it's done.
Select Programs, tap on Own Product Images.
Add new image. Insert the USB stick with your JPEG file. The system recognizes the USB stick with these two images. Now select the image and import it. After reading the product image, remove the USB. The picture now appears on the screen. You can adjust the image now, just as you would on your smartphone. Press OK to confirm. The image is cropped and imported. You can find it under Own Product Images. Now go back to Programs. Select a baking program and change the program. Now you can select the image, the rye bread here.